Hey guys, so today I'm going to be replacing the Honda Accord 2009 8th generation fuel cap. And essentially, I always thought that you had to replace this whole fuel cap, and Honda sells this piece for actually around $75. And I don't feel like I should be paying $75 when I can just replace the string that comes with it and the clip. And so I went on Amazon and bought something like this. Right now I'm going to document how we're going to remove this part, because this is actually the hardest part to remove. It's this clip and it's like a sandwich. You put the little string through here with the little stopper. You just take both pieces and then you sandwich it together to make it into that clip that you see right there. Squeeze it with the needle nose pliers. You'll start to see it like kind of wiggle out. You can already see it's kind of halfway. There we go. I'm going to keep using this gas cap because I don't feel like paying extra $3 just to use a new gas cap when this one still works fine. It's just a gas cap after all. And the fact that Honda's trying to charge like 75 bucks for this whole assembly, the little gas cap and that little tether, is kind of stupid just for a gas cap. Costs more than my turn signal switch that I need to replace too. So the big question is, if you want to reuse this clip, you certainly can. It's just the way it's built, you actually have to separate the two sides. And earlier I did this with just my fingernails. There's a little clip right there. You just have to lift the lip enough so that it lifts off from that little clip. And once you do that, it separates. There we go. And then you can replace the line. I could technically reuse this, or I could install a brand new one. Maybe I'll keep the old one and then install the new one if this ever breaks it in half. I'm just gonna grab the gas cap. So technically you can just separate it because it's just plastic, and so I'm just pushing it down as I'm going. Actually, that's really funny. I found out the easier way to like even remove it is just doing that. Pulling it this way is actually faster to remove the ring. So we'll slide the new ring on. There you go. If you buy it on Amazon, they'll most likely send you a gas cap and the string, but they won't sell you the clip. For the clip, they charge another extra $7-8, but the one that I bought, I only bought the little string and the clip, so I'm still reusing the same gas cap. If we're gonna reuse the same clip, all you have to do is slide it into the holes, and then there's a catcher so it doesn't like come out. Squeeze the two together, and that's it. We'll go ahead and just put the gas cap in, lock it. Now with the little line, we'll just make sure that it goes from the bottom up. I mean, I guess technically you could do it from the top up too, but I usually like it from the bottom anyways, so all you do is you just push it in and that's it. There you go. There you go. How simple is that? It's just, removing it is such a pain in the ass, but as if I was gonna pay that much. So I'll leave the link to the part in the description, and if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.